Hello and welcome back to the Bear Bum Cook. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fully emulsified plant-based milk. Now the ingredients we need are 120 grams of nuts or seeds. I used 35 grams of walnuts, 55 of almonds and 30 of sunflower seeds. 1 tablespoon of sunflower lecithin for the emulsification, 900 ml of water, a tablespoon of sunflower oil, quarter teaspoon of salt and an optional teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. We then want to cover our nuts or seeds in hot water for 1 hour or overnight if we're using cold water. We then drain and rinse our seeds and add them to our blender. Add the sunflower lecithin, sunflower oil, salt, optional vanilla, and our water. We then just chuck the lid on and blend it for about 60 seconds. Then once that's done, we just pour the mixture through a nut milk bag or a fine cloth. Before I got a nut milk bag, I honestly just used an old t-shirt and it worked fine. Squeeze all the liquid out. Then we have this pulp left over, which you can save and just use in like your baking or whatever. Because I make this almost every day, I have a lot and I just discard it. And there we go, we've done it. Our own creamy and delicious plant-based milk ready to throw in your favorite bottle. I'm so proud of you. Look at what you've made. Look at that, absolutely delicious. This milk has the most incredible taste and it's perfect for, coffees, smoothies, or just pour over some cereal. It emulsifies perfectly in any hot drink and, doesn't do that weird separate-y thing that a lot of plant-based milks do. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and see you next time. Say hi to Mum for me. Bye!